I realize that I film most of my videos with the cars up on the lift, and I know that most of you don't have a car lift. You have to work out on the ground like I'm doing here. So I decided in this series of videos, I'm going to come out and work on the ground too. But I wanted to show you how I support a car when I'm working underneath it, particularly in the center area, transmission, fuel tank, fuel system, drive line, flex disc. And I am very safety conscious when it comes to working on a car. So the way I do it is I put it up on 4 heavy duty ramps. You see that? Notice the ramps are going the opposite direction so the car can't roll forward or backward. I've got it high enough up in the air that I can easily get underneath the car with the creeper, and I'm safe. You can do it either way. You can back it up on 2 ramps, jack the front up on the other 2, or as I did here, I pulled it forward onto those ramps, and then I jacked one rear end side up at a time to put it on top of these ramps. Once again, look, they're going the opposite direction. So there's no way that this car can roll off the ramps, and I've also got it in park with the emergency brake on. So in the next video, you'll see me under the car checking some more things out. Maybe we even have a bad shift bushing. Wouldn't that be interesting? If you've seen my video on changing the fuel filters, and I can be almost certain I've got some issues going on inside my fuel tank. So stay tuned for the next episode in this series.